now we're headed to Apex Motor Park for the track. Should be a fun time, so let's head there now. So we just arrived at the track here, and you can see some of the Lexus Performance Driving School GSFs. I think this is most GSFs I've seen in one place. It's pretty cool. Time to go out on the track with these cars, so it's like by groups. Z06 as well. So I'm here in Roberts ISF, and I'm gonna go take it around on the track here. It should be really fun, so here we go.
Brakes are new, suspension's new, lower control arm bushings are new. Drive it, man, have fun. There you go. Yeah, drive it, man. Woo! You can't hurt this car, we know that. This is an 08 with RCF rims, R&R, high performance tune exhaust, headers by PPE. And it now needs the limited slip because you can feel it.
Yeah. Really crazy. So there's the car I just drove, 08 ISF. Super fun. So now that I drove one of these cars, we're gonna go for a ride with Clayton and his SC ISF, Supercharged ISF. So here we go. Supercharger. And this is the RR Racing Supercharger. Sounds awesome. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to Marty Motoring, hit that subscribe button. And as always, leave a little rubber on the road.